Hi. Do you leak when you laugh, cough, or sneeze? I mean, you're not alone. This is called stress urinary incontinence or SUI. So, this happens when the muscles around and tissues supporting your bladder and the urethra, they become weak, and this could be due to pregnancy, childbirth, menopause, or even heavy lifting. Now, the pressure inside your abdomen increases suddenly, and that is why your bladder can't hold on it. So think of it like a balloon with a loose knot. Any pressure and it's going to leak. So SUI is common, but it's not normal. It's nothing to be ashamed of, and more importantly, it's totally treatable. So don't hesitate, contact us. Let's talk about it, because women's health matters.